Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll build a JavaScript program that checks whether a given string is a palindrome using recursion. A palindrome reads the same forwards and backwards, like madam or race car. We'll see how recursion can simplify this check elegantly. Let's dive in and understand the problem. Our goal is to determine whether a given string is a palindrome. We'll compare the first and last letters, and then check the substring in between recursively. If all pairs match, it is a palindrome. Let's jump into the JavaScript code. We define a function test that takes a string as input. First, we validate that the input is a string. If the string length is 1 or less, it is a palindrome. Otherwise, we compare the first and last characters and call the test recursively on a substring in between. Our goal is to determine whether a given string is a palindrome. We'll compare the first and last letters, and then check the substring in between recursively. If all pairs match, it is a palindrome. Let's jump into the JavaScript code. For madam, the first and last characters are both M, so we check Ada. In Ada, the first and last are both A, so we check D. With one character left, we return true. So madam is indeed a palindrome. Palindromes appear in coding interviews and data validation tasks. They are also a good way to practice recursion and string manipulation. You can expand this concept to check phrases, ignoring spaces, and punctuation. Let's wrap this up with a summary. We built a recursive function to check if a string is a palindrome. It is a clean and effective way to handle repeated checks. Try it with different strings to see how this works. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.